This tutorial shows you how to perform motor detection on a Parsec electric skateboard. Motor detection calibrates the electronic speed controller to the motors so they run smoothly and reliably. This process is normally completed during assembly. You don't need to perform it unless instructed to do so by a Parsec support rep. Before you begin, place the board on a stable surface with the drive wheels in the air so that they can spin freely. Start with the board powered off. It needs to be completely off and not in standby mode. Press the board's power button to turn it on. Then quickly press the button 3 times in a row. You'll hear an electrical whine. And then the motors will spin in opposite directions. This process takes about 40 seconds. When it's finished, power the board off. Then turn it back on again. Use your remote to test the throttle. The motors should spin smoothly without any jerking or stalling. If you notice anything unusual, stop immediately and contact Parsec support for help. Check that the wheels are spinning in the correct direction. If they aren't, adjust the motor direction in the settings menu. Your board should now be calibrated and ready to ride. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or get in touch with us.